Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first time talking in front of the camera because I want to try something different to present my videos, okay? So what we have today is, actually it's very simple DIY works. I love to do DIY works, so I show you how I usually do it and the tools I use to do all my DIY works, okay? So let's see what we have for this video. Okay, as you can see here, I have bought some things for my bathroom and the washing machine room. First is the bathroom mirror set. Second is the towel rack. And the last one is the washing machine rack, which are on top of my washing machine because as you can see, my washing machine room is very tiny. I need a rack that can fit that space, okay? And all these items I bought in Shopee. So actually it's quite some affordable items, not really expensive one. So let's see how the qualities of all these items, okay? Okay, let's check it out. The first item is the mirror set. It's about 70 ringgit. Okay. Second item is the towel rack. Okay, this one is quite cheap lah. About 35 ringgit, depends the option you choose. And the last one is the rack. The washing machine rack is about 30 to 35 ringgit. Also, I just bought a new drilling machine. So I want to test how is this drilling machine works. How's the performance of this machine. This one is about 120 ringgit. I bought it in Mr. DIY. So let's see. Okay, let's begin with the tools I will use. This is the level bar to measure the balance of the thing. And we have knife to cut something, plier. And the hammer to hammer the wall plug. Screwdriver, of course. Marker pen to mark the position on the wall. My drilling machine. And the drilling bits. Make sure it's masonry, not for woods and steel, but for the wall, for concrete wall. Okay, let us start with the works. So first we mark the position of the rack. Make sure you're straight. Then we hammer the marking for easy drilling, so that your drill won't run away. Let's do the drilling works. Insert the wall plug. Okay, so let's install the rack. There's a lot of screw to put in, that's why. Okay, let's go to. Looks good. Now let's go to the mirror set. Same thing, let's measure the balance of the rack first. Let's measure the position. Make sure it looks straight. Oh, I changed the camera. So So a lot of drilling works. Insert the wall plug. Okay, I actually took some time to adjust the mirror because the position is not straight. So it took me some time to straighten the position. I think should be alright. Yeah. Almost done. Okay. And now let's go to the washing machine rack. The installation is pretty easy, just follow the user manual. Okay, the rack is done, but as you can see, the rack is not stable. That's why I need this thing to secure the position to prevent the rack falling down, you know. Well, this rack is quite cheap. That's why I'm not expecting it's very stable, you know. Yeah, we are done. We are done. Yes, it looks very tight now. Secure in position. So yeah, this is all about my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.